In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a low row. So firstly, if you have access to a gym, you might be able to do this on a cable machine or a stationary machine. There might be a designated machine for your low row. If you don't have access to a gym, that's where the resistance band comes in. So I want you to loop the resistance band around something that's not going to move and cause you a hazard. So I've brought the band around this fixed resistance object, which is the cable machine. I'm going to bring one side of the band through the middle of the other, and now I've created my knot, so that's not going to go anywhere. When we're looking to do any row type of exercise, it's really important not only that we bring the elbow in and we row back, but we also bring the shoulder blades back together. The whole point of this exercise is to mainly work that scapular retraction, so our lower trapezius, mid-trapezius, rhomboids, and also latissimus dorsi muscles. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off doing that low row position. So if this is a high row where my elbow is above my shoulder and my elbow in line with my shoulder is a mid row, we must have the elbow in a low position to do a low row, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the band in both hands, that low row position. The amount I walk out is going to directly influence the amount of resistance. So the more I walk out, the harder it's going to be. Also, the heavier the band is, heavier it's going to be for you as well, the more resistance. And I'm going to row in, squeezing my shoulder blades as hard as I can, making sure that I'm not rocking my torso forward or back as I do it. I'm bracing my core, allowing my trunk to be stable as I'm doing my repetitions nice and slowly, focusing on my shoulder blades squeezing as hard as possible together during the motion. That's how to do the low row exercise with a resistance band, but you can use those principles and apply them to a cable machine or fixed resistance object.